cleared customs. So he elected just to have a workout in preparation for today's game.
Eric Stahl, Alexander Semin, Yuri Talusti, the forward line for Carolina. Joe Corvo, Tim Gleason on defense. A rebound, they score! Yuri Talusti cashes in on the shot taken by Joe Corvo, and Carolina is off and running.
Eric Stahl extends his point streak, and it's a part of his game that has shown tremendous improvement. That's winning a faceoff. Good for Joe Corvo. Watch how he gets in the middle of the ice ever so slightly, and he's ready to shoot the puck. So putting Corvo back in the lineup, immediate dividends. And Talusti, missed coverage for Philadelphia. He goes right to the net to try to locate a rebound if it's there and buries it on the blocker side.
Good for Joe. He's missed the last 3 as a healthy extra. In today with Jamie McBain coming out, and his point shot is taken care of by Yuri Talusti. Just 17 seconds into period number 1. Eric Stahl also gets an assist, so points and 8 straight for the captain. And tic-tac-toe, they almost work it there to Alexander Semin. As you see the puck come all the way back out to center ice, Eric Stahl winding back in his own zone. Cross ice pass for Alexander Semin. He attempts to sidestep Nicholas Grossman.